Hi, I'm Local Happy, and will I ever remember to film an intro? Probably not. I casted for a job and I was required to renew my passport because I was supposed to fly out to Spain, but I didn't get the job. So I still need to renew the passport regardless. And we're going to try the Passport Girl makeup to see if it works, to see if I can finally look better after the 26 years of living and having myself look like an egg in all my passports. Like this one. You know what? I actually prefer this one. The new one, I guess you'll see. I guess you have to watch the video to see. Alright, let's get into it. Good morning. Okay, I had a literally such a horrible sleep, but anyways, I digress. So today we're gonna do the passport makeup, and I'm hoping I actually have to leave at 11:30, so I'm hoping I make it there in time. So let's not, I guess like talk and stuff. So I think I'm gonna do my skincare first because this requires like a glowy base. So I'm gonna use my favorite snail mucin. This is like, can you see? I love this product so much. It just makes my face, my dry Sahara face, feels like it's a little bit more plumped. Then the next one, I'm telling you, I'm a very cheap gal, okay? I'm a very fine and frugal kind of girl. But I got sent this as like sponsorship for my video. Shiseido Utamine. It's actually Ottoman, okay, Christina? Get it right. Like, seriously. The girl just sent me the pronunciation of it. It's not practically Utamine, that's for sure. This is so good, but it's expensive. It's so good. When my face breaks out, this calms it down, and this is not even a sponsored post, like, girl, but it's so expensive. So if you know a dupe for this, please comment it, because I'm just so scared when it runs out. I'm gonna be like, what am I gonna use instead? I heard from some people that the place that I'm going is like an electronic version, so like you just have to put your passport and then it's like an automatic system. I don't even know, girl. Like, I'm a little bit concerned because I want my picture to turn out good, and I don't know if this makeup is gonna make it look good. I'm telling you, for the past 26 years of my aliveness, none of my passport picture looks good. I know, it's 8:39, bro. Right, I'm gonna use my Snail Mucin all-in-one creamy thingy majiggy. So I went to casting, and I started really going to the gym, and there's this girl, okay? There's always this girl. And I would say, like, I really look up to this girl. She's 2 years older than me. She models around the world. She's drop dead gorgeous. She had this like Italian wedding, and it was, girl, I call her my Italian wedding Pinterest girl, okay? I'm gonna use a sunscreen. It's from Can Make. It's like a sunscreen and makeup base. I really like this one. Very, very lightweight, and it doesn't break me out. Every time I don't want to go to the gym, I think about her. I'm just like, what would she say to me, okay? What would she say to me right now if I didn't go to the gym? And yesterday, or a few days ago, I had this casting. My agency was like, hey, can you please go to this casting? Like, they were like, they just kept like telling me like to go to this casting, and I was like, I don't really want to go. And then tell me why. It was literally Italian wedding dream girl wedding Pinterest girl. I wasn't gonna say shit, okay? I'm sorry, but I wasn't gonna say anything because I was so sad. I was like, girlie comes sit next to me, and I'm like, she sits next to me. She goes, oh, are you the girl from TikTok? You can't even imagine. I looked at her and I was so stunned. I was like, yeah, oh yes. And it was so awkward. I didn't know. I looked down at my phone because I was reading. I was like, what am I gonna say? I need to say something. I look up at her and I tell her this. I tell her, I see you on Pinterest. Girl, I need to practice these dialogue. What if I see Lana Del Rey one day? Okay, what am I gonna say? So the first thing she does is her brows, and we want like a lifted brow. So I'm just gonna like add the brow color and then lift it up with my brow gel. So I'm gonna extend it a little bit. Yeah. Okay, the brows look, she's like, I'm here. So we're gonna use clear mascara. I'm using this one. It's a Thai brand called 2P Original, and this is like glue to my brows, even though it is such a hassle to like take out at the end of the day. But this she's not here to play, honestly. Lift. Whoa. Okay, so then what she does is she like carves out her brows. I think this is the closest we can get to sisterhood of the eyebrows. Okay, now she goes in with her base. So I'm gonna use my trusty base. I have to mix these two because they're not the same color. So let's hope today they work out. So I'm gonna do a pump of my Face Shop. This BB cream, so lovely, but the shade range. And then it's Everpink Skin Tint. So I'm gonna add this. Okay, slay. Trick I learned from like some of the makeup artists when I go to casting, especially the one yesterday. She was using her fingers, then she goes in later like with a puff to make it look much neater. Circed puff. Just make sure everything is just like nicely blended in. So this is my contour placement. I'm not gonna do too much because I feel like, I mean, it's your passport, so you still kind of want to look like yourself. So I'm not gonna go too crazy. I saw her put it here as well. I'm gonna blend this one with a brush because every time I blend it with a sponge, it just doesn't look as nice. Chiseled in the house. Fun fact, my mom always gets stopped whenever she comes with us because they think that she's a sex worker. And there's nothing wrong with being a sex worker, but it's just like, okay, just because you see a Thai passport, alright, doesn't mean that every person you see is going into your country, you know? And I mean, if you're doing it correctly and you have the paperwork and everything, I don't see, I don't know. It's just like, come on now. Okay, I think the nose is very chiseled. Okay, so these are the placements. I see that they focus a lot on like lifted eyes, so whoa, chiseled in the house. Okay, what time is it? It's 9:30. Okay, so I'm gonna use this blush for the inside of my cheeky cheeks. It's like this like baby pink color concentrated in the middle. Then I'm gonna use this small little color. It's like more like peachy color. I'm just gonna put her like this part. I think for the eyes, I'm just gonna do what I normally do. So I'm gonna put all of this like beige color all over my eyes. This is looking not bad as well. I think I might go in with this. And then I'm gonna go like in the inner part of my eye. And then like, you know, like the line we do there? I'm gonna try to follow that as much. And I proceeded to use a brush like this, a flat brush. And I'm gonna dip into like one of these, maybe this one first, and then I'll just like build the darkness. And then I'm just gonna like stamp it, because that's what the girl did. She just like stamped it. So fracking lay! And then I'm gonna just tight line. I'm thinking if I want to do wings, but then I'm like, do I really want to do wings? Does that mean every time I go to the immigration that I need to have wings? But it looks snatched. I look pretty good, not gonna lie. Okay, now so I'm gonna set everything with my like powder products, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna add the sparkly stuff with highlight. I went in with a pink lip liner. This one is from Silky Girl #1. And I'm gonna go in with this Florette. I actually really like this. They say it's the dupe for the Tarte. Go check it out. They have so many colors. And I love how it just like glides on. It's just, it gives your lips and it makes your lip look so juicy. Okay, I think I still look like myself, right? But like just like a glammed up version of myself. And then we're gonna go in with a setting spray. I'm gonna do my hair and then I'll be back because I'm so late. And then we start our journey. All you need really is your old passport, your ID card, and your body if you want to renew your passport. And also if you're of age, you don't need anybody's consent. So those are the things you need. You can either walk in or you can reserve an appointment online and then just like walk and give your appointment to the counter. And girl, I thought it was a machine, but it was not a machine. It was a lady. She was basically taking photos of me and I was like, well, girl, I don't really like this photo, but I didn't want her to take it like 10 times because it was like already the 4th time. So I was like, yeah, okay, I guess it looks fine. So now I'm gonna have it for 10 years and I felt so horrible. So I was like, you know what, maybe I'm just gonna go have some like food. I'm gonna eat food, I'm gonna thrift, and I'm gonna buy some makeup so then I can feel a little bit better about myself. So that's what we did. So I don't think my picture was cute, but I guess it is what it is. I look like this, let me show you. God damn it. Tell me why I look good like this. We went to go get pizza at this place. It's called like Pala and it has one of the best pizza, girl. Like they make the pizzas fresh. So the slices are around 90 to 100 baht and it's so good. Then I went to Terminal 21 because it's right next to Pala and I hit Even Boy. It's like a makeup, kind of like Watson's but not really. And so there's like all kinds of like Thai brands and all that good stuff. And I got this lip color thing. It was so pretty. And then it was like a sign from the universe. I saw a photo booth and I was like, you know what, if I can't get a beautiful passport photo, I'll take some nice photos for myself for Instagram. Be that Instagram baddie, because nobody is here to take photos for me, so I guess a photo booth will do. And yeah, these are some of the pictures. They're so cute. Then I decided, you know what? I'm gonna buy some onigiri and I'm gonna hit our next stop, which is thrifting, okay? It's actually at this place called Treasure Factory in Prakhanong Station. And girl, normally I don't really like Treasure Factory because I never find anything. I don't know why, but one of my followers was like, you gotta go here because it's got all the gems. And the person was not wrong. It's got all the gems because I found so many fracking cute little shoes, like kitten heels, and I saw some like ballet flats. And girl, but it didn't fit my big ass giant foot 39 size feet, okay? All these sizes were so small. It's like, are they for children? Because your girl can't wear them, but it's so cute. Oh, anyways, a missed opportunity. But I did find one heel, which is really cute. And I also found this Uniqlo kind of lingerie, loungewear situation thing with like a built-in bra. It was so comfortable and it's also brand fracking new. Yeah, it's brand fracking new. It was 200 baht for that. The price normally would be, I guess, like 1,000. So it was a steal. And then there was this white dress, which was so cute, but then my armpit felt like it was about to be like chopped off because the sleeve was digging into my pits, okay? TMI, but it was digging into my pit's sole. So I didn't get that. And yeah, I got these things. And let me show you the haul of what I got. This Uniqlo thing, which we're gonna wash, even though and look, it's brand mother effing new. Don't tell me your girl doesn't look good, okay? Side-eye. Don't make me give you the side-eye. Okay, but this I kind of look, they made my eyes bigger. Like, my eyes look bigger in there. And especially this one. I look like an alien. Why does it, you see, right? I need a photo booth in my house. Okay, this, don't even ask me what's going on there. I thought I did a thing, but I apparently didn't do a thing. I'm gonna just show you the quick haul. So I got this Physio Gel. People are like, well, you don't need mineral spray. I got 2 of them. It's the tomato spray. I heard people said the new formula cleanser is good. I got this. Guess why? Because of this small little mofo. I also got another sunscreen. This is for Joya. Because she said she ran out of sunscreen, so I have to be her personal shopper, like her that's guess what I forgot? She told me to buy pens. The last one is this lip, oh my matte. I really like the dry down of this, and I really like the gloss situation. And look at the package, so cute. Anyways, let's put it on. So pretty. It's like your lips. Oh crap. It's like your lips, but better. Don't focus on my face, focus on the product. 77% annual hot leaf soothing thing. It's got a lot of things. Live fast, die young, bad girls do it well. Sing it! Yes! Maybe not die young. Live fast, die old, bad girls do it well. Live fast, die old, bad girls do it well. I'm hungry. Okay, so this is the passport photo result. And girl, my sister sent me this. It was actually we got it in 4 days. And I don't know. What do you think? Because I don't know. I have a little bit of a mixed feeling about this. I'm like, my hair, girl, my hair. It's my hair, isn't it? And it's the fact that it's black. I don't know. But yeah, here it is. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. That's all for today. See you next week. Bye.